So today we're replacing Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra LCD screen. So make sure taking out the SIM tray already. So we're gonna take out the pen. Then we're gonna use a heat gun to remove the back glass. So we are gonna use a surgical blade to just make an opening. I don't know how fragile this is, but I have to get underneath and just slide in a plain cut. So we'll continue reheating. Just so it's hot enough, just so the glue is loose, the adhesive, for us to slide the cut. Not too, so make sure don't heat it too much. Yes, don't force anything, it has to just slide in by itself. Just applying little pressure only. Okay, that's it. Just the top bit left. So back glass is removed successfully, so we're gonna go ahead and put it aside. So now we're gonna go remove all these screws. So once all the screws are unscrewed, so we're gonna just start by removing the wireless charger with the, to disconnect this wireless charger connector flex with the metal plate. So we can make sure we disconnect the battery first. So once that's done, we go ahead and remove all the other connectors. connect it to the motherboard. So once all this ones are disconnected, we'll remove the front camera connector as well. I think it's ready to remove. The motherboard is ready to be removed. So that's the motherboard. Then we're gonna go to the speaker part, the loudspeaker. So remove that one. Then we're gonna go ahead and remove the charging port. So this one's got the 3 black screws. So we're gonna keep this one separate as it's smaller than all the other screws. So once that's removed, I'm gonna remove the charging port. So now we just remove the front camera. Once that's removed, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the battery. So the battery is tricky to remove. So what we're gonna do is, normally I use the isopropyl alcohol, so just a little bit spray where the opening is, and then we just remove the tweezer, just slightly start lifting up the battery. Be careful you don't pop the battery. If he's using the alcohol, it's going to be dangerous. It's going to be flammable. So successfully removed the best way possible. So now it's just straightforward. So we're just going to assemble everything back onto the new screen. So that should be pretty straightforward. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you.